Jurors now have spent nearly 20 hours deliberating the fate of an Austin police officer charged with deadly conduct. This charge stems from a police shooting back in 2019. We do want to let you know this report does include video of that shooting.
Officer Christopher Taylor and another officer shot Maurice De Silva that day. De Silva was having a mental health episode, according to police and prosecutors, and held a knife to his throat while walking around his downtown condo complex. Body camera video of that shooting played in court last week.
Let me see your hands. Drop it.
Prosecutors say police did not need to shoot De Silva. Taylor's attorneys say De Silva posed a threat and Taylor acted in defense of himself and the other officers.
KXAN's Brianna Hollis has been following this trial since the beginning of last week. Bree, where are we right now when it comes to the deliberations?
So there's still no telling when exactly that decision is coming. A reminder, it has to be unanimous. We do have a little bit of an update for you, though. A judge and the attorneys did meet briefly without the jury this afternoon. The defense wanted to address some safety concerns posed by some of the jurors, fearing that those fears might actually impact jurors' decision-making process. The defense moved multiple times for a mistrial on these grounds, but the judge ultimately denied that.
And Bree, the deadly conduct charge Taylor faces is a third-degree felony and sometimes can be a misdemeanor charge. Can you break that down for us?
Yeah, so I spoke with a local defense attorney, former prosecutor Jeremy Celestine, about this. He says by default, deadly conduct is a misdemeanor, but it turns into a felony if you fire a gun at another person or at a building. The punishment range is 2 to 10 years, and probation is possible if someone doesn't have any prior convictions, which is the case for Chris Taylor. Now, another thing, in Texas, defendants have the right to choose whether the judge or jury determines the sentence. Taylor chose the judge, and that is a decision that's made before the trial starts.
And the reason you do it up front is because if it's the jury, you have to spend time during jury selection qualifying them on that range of punishment to make sure that they can be fair on those issues just as well as the guilt innocence issues. And then the conversation with clients is really about what we think a jury would do given these factual situations and given their background, criminal history or lack of criminal history, other mitigating factors and things like that.
And we are here on standby on Verdict Watch for you, so we can update you as soon as that decision comes down. Daniel.